Okay, adding photos to a photo or video gallery. So I'm in the photo gallery widget already. So there's one in here. So we always, whenever we're going to add or do something with a widget that involves putting a photo in, with the exception of if you're going to insert it directly into a content widget, then you'll want to use the button to select the image so that you can crop it and get it properly sized to go in. We don't want to put it directly in the content here. Um, so we'll go to add item, press yes, and then we'll go to select an image. Now you have two options with the photo gallery. So if you click on this image, say this is the one I want to use, you'll see here that it says select photo. So you can click this and it will just use the photo. It will select the proper size as Dusty has uploaded them, and you can just use this. But say I don't like this black border that's around it. I still have the option to press select image. I'm going to replace this one because I don't like it. To scroll down here to my green crop and say I want to crop this image. Now, it's going to give me this notice because this crop size is for retina displays that are very large on basically Apple products. So that's not to say that you cannot just continue and crop it as you see fit. But on a retina display, this image is probably going to look a little bit maybe grainy. But that's okay. So here I'm going to scroll in because I don't want that black. So I've scrolled in. I'm going to press save. Now it's taking me back to this screen as usual, and I have to remember because I cropped an image that I don't want to use the original. I'm going to press select photo, and then you'll see the cropped image here. You can also put in a YouTube or a Vimeo ID in here. You still need to crop some kind of image for the thumbnail size. Otherwise, we won't be able to show any thumbnail. So if you're going to put a video in, still pick a thumbnail that will show on the bottom of the slider. But you can just put the video ID in there. So that is how to add images to the photo gallery.